Now for these division problems, we get a remainder. So 13 divided by 3 is 4 remainder 1. That's because 4 times 3 is 12, but then we need one more to get to 13. But rather than writing 4 remainder 1, we can write our remainder as a fraction. So 4 is our whole number, 1 is the numerator of our fraction, so the remainder is the numerator, and then the denominator is the divisor, so the number that we were dividing by. So for 13 divided by 3, rather than writing 4 remainder 1, we can write 4 and 1/3. Now 15 divided by 4. That's 3 remainder 3, because 3 times 4 is 12, but then from 12 we need 3 more to get to 15. But we can write our remainder as a fraction. That 3 is our whole number, the remainder is our numerator, and the divisor is the denominator, so the number we're dividing by is always the denominator. Now 802 divided by 5, so we need to use short division here. 8 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 3. 30 divided by 5 is exactly 6 with no remainder, but then 2 divided by 5 is 0 remainder 2. So we can write 160 as our whole number, the remainder as our numerator, and the number that we're dividing by as our denominator. So that's 160 and 2/5. Now 716 divided by 7. Again, we're going to need short division here. 7 divided by 7 is exactly 1 with no remainder. 1 divided by 7 is 0 remainder 1. And 16 divided by 7 is 2 remainder 2. So 102 is our whole number, our remainder 2 is our numerator, and our denominator is the number that we're dividing by, so our denominator is 7. So that's 102 and 2/7. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.